Today, we have some exciting news swirling around the tech world, especially for all you Samsung aficionados out there. That's right, brace yourselves because the much anticipated Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is about to hit the shelves, and let me tell you, it's packing some serious heat in terms of specs. So, what can we expect from Samsung's newest flagship? Let's dive straight into the details. First off, under the hood, powering this beast is none other than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, or the Exynos 2400 depending on your geographical location. This means unparalleled performance, allowing seamless multitasking, whether you're immersed in gaming, binge-watching, or tackling those demanding productivity tasks. But hey, the surprises don't stop there. Rumor has it, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is set to feature a stunning 6.1-inch AMOLED display boasting a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Now, while it might be slightly smaller than what we're accustomed to in the Fan Edition series, trust me, it's a visual feast coupled with unparalleled responsiveness. Hold on to your seats, folks, because this next spec is bound to blow your mind. A hopping 12 gigs of RAM. Yes, you heard me right. Say goodbye to app reloads and sluggish performance with this multitasking powerhouse. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is set to redefine the standards. Now, what good is all this power without a battery that can keep up? Fear not, because rumor has it, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is equipped with a generous 4,500 mAh battery. Whether you're a power user or just need your device to last through the day, this phone has got your back. Last but certainly not least, durability meets elegance as the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is anticipated to boast an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. So whether you're embarking on outdoor escapades or facing the elements head-on, rest assured, your device will emerge unscathed. So there you have it, folks, a tantalizing glimpse into what awaits with the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. With its powerhouse performance, captivating display, colossal RAM, enduring battery life, and rugged resilience, it's poised to make waves in the smartphone arena. Despite its launch being projected around 6 months away, early indicators suggest that Samsung is already gearing up for the production of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, poised to play a pivotal role in the success of its 2024 Fan Edition lineup. Samsung is currently navigating the crucial phase of assembling the supply chain for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, meticulously evaluating components, negotiating with suppliers, and solidifying sources for the various necessary items before the device transitions into mass production, expected to kick off in the latter half of this year. As always, stay tuned for more updates on this exhilarating release. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest in tech. Until next time, happy exploring and peace out.